Hello everybody, welcome to Grade 12 Paper 1 Winter School. In this video I analyze the syllabus and give you some strategies to help you with your studies. I also discuss the November 2020 Paper 1 Question 9 in full and I take you through the explanations as well as how the examiners mark and where marks are allocated. This question is all about calculus applications. It counts 10 out of the 150, which is equal to 6.7% of the total. Again, I want to remind you that there is a playlist on calculus application. I strongly suggest that you watch it since I discuss a lot of different questions that you can expect. But let's move over to this question. A closed rectangular box has to be constructed as follows. Dimensions, the length L, the width W, and the height H. The length L of the base has to be 3 times its width. The volume has to be 5 cubic meters. The material for the top and the bottom parts costs 15 Rand per square meter, and the material for the sides costs 6 Rand per square meter. 9.1 show that the cost to construct the box can be calculated by cost equals 19W squared plus 48WH. So we start with the area for the top and the bottom rectangles will be 2 because there's 2 of them, length times width, which is 2LW. Then the sides left and right, there's 2 of them, width times height equals 2WH. And then the sides, the front and the back, is 2 of them, length times height, which is 2LH. Therefore, the area will be the top and the bottom plus the sides, front and back, plus the sides, left and right. And there I substituted in those little formulas. But it was given to us that L, the length, is equal to 3W. So that means everywhere where we see an L, we're going to substitute a 3W. And I did it there for you. And then this becomes 2 times 3 is 6. And W times W is W squared. The 2WH just writes with. And this becomes 2 times 3 is 6WH. Then it's also given that the top and bottom parts cost 15 Rand and the sides cost 6 Rand. So now we can work out a formula for the cost. So it is the 15 and the 6W squared is for the top and the bottom. And then plus 6 Rand for a side. That was sides, front and back, and then 6 Rand for sides, left and right. And then if you just multiply in the values, you get 90W squared plus 12WH plus 36WH, and you can see that these two are like terms, and you add them, and then there's your equation. Cost is 90W squared plus 48WH. And then where's the marks? The marks are for this formula. For substituting L is 3W, and then here where you multiplied that area by 15 and those two by 6. 9.2. Determine the width of the box such that the cost to build the box is a minimum. So where we start is with that part where they said that the volume is 5 cubic meters. So the formula for volume is length times width times height. And the volume is then 3W times H. And then 5 was given. The volume was 5. And then now we're going to make H the subject of the formula by dividing the 3W squared both sides. So if I divide it on this side, it will cancel out, and then I divide it on the left-hand side as well. Now, The cost equation we calculated was 90w squared plus 48wh. So into h now, we know that this is h, 5 over 3w squared. So in h's place, I'm going to substitute that. And then I'm going to multiply that 48w with h out. And I get 90w squared plus 80 over w. Then I am going to differentiate because I want to work out the width such that the box is a minimum. The cost is a minimum. And minimum, maximum, you always find the derivative equal to 0. But there is a problem in the sum. Again, you cannot find the derivative if this w is under the line. So what I have to do is I have to bring it up, and then that exponent becomes -1. Now I'm going to find the derivative on top there on the right. So please note the notation. It's C-W, and then when you find the derivative, the 2, I'm down here again, the 2 goes to the front, it finds the 90, it multiplies with it, and you subtract 1. That's why it's 180W. And then on the next term, there's a -1, it goes to the front, it finds plus 80, and it becomes -80, but then you have to subtract 1 from the exponent. So that's why up there it's -80w to the -2 equals 0, because for maximum minimum it is always the derivative and equal to 0. And now you just have to solve for w. So what I did was I took the -80w to the -2 to the right, and now I'm going to take that w to the -2 down to make it positive, and then in the next step what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply with w squared this side and that side to make sure that it's the subject of the formula. There you can see, and then in the next step I am going to divide both sides by 180 just to get w to the 3 on its own, and then that is 4/9. And then to get rid of the power to the 3 is I'm going to take the cube root, and the answer is w is 0.76. And then where's the marks? There where you wrote h, the volume in terms of h, where you did the substitution, and then in this step, let me just see where you fixed your w and made it w to the -1, and then where you found the derivative and equate to 0. And then obviously final answer. The next topic I will discuss is probability. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next question.